You may heard a lot of information about NotebookLM, which is launched by Google. So I do hype up something about them. But before that, I would like to give some basic context about NotebookLM, and I do have some information here. I would like to present them first. So, NotebookLM is a web application that was developed by Google blog in the project name of Tailwind, which is started in July 2023, and as for now it is called as Notebook LM, as we all heard it. But the projects initially started as Tailwind by Google blog, which is a subsidiary under Google. And to more information digging, that we can use Google in any, what we call, any uh, browser that we want, but I do prefer to use them in Chrome, and I would like to present you them in the Windows context and the mobile version, so that you feel the more clearly. Even it was performing, the UI is different, but I like more mobile version than the Windows, which is user friendly and I can use anywhere at any point. There are many things that NotebookLM is great. We can break down many things by just speaking towards mic, but I would like to present you them. Before that, what the point I want to tell, scan this QR or this link to log into your Google Notebook LM. I would like to provide the links in the description through. I hope we can start the web version of this video. Okay, I hope I can start now. Let me go to my screen. Hi. So, as I told you that we are now in the screen. Uh, you may scan that QR or share it again here, or you may just uh, link in the description so you can follow that. The interface is different for you and me when you click on that link, because I have registered already. You have to register. So I hope that is not a big task that you can't do. So it is an easy task you can. So when you register once, when you do projects or when you create your notes, you will be having something interface like this. You do have this after some notes that you create. So these are some notes that I have created. You have two options, like this view or this view, or you can say like from the title ABCD BCC, like DBMS, and shared with me. So there is no one shared with me. Most probably I may share you one notes that will be in the links. You can follow, trim it, or whatever you want you can. So let us create. uh, Here you have option to create. Click on button, you will have in different format. So in this you can upload up to 50 different resources, like as you see here, you have Google Drive links, paste the text, or upload from the files, like upload from your systems like PDF, text, anything, audio, video, something in your device. But there's a trick for PDFs. As I use this for PDFs, there's something called, when you have two PDFs or each unit has different PDF, five units, five PDFs, we can all convert them into one PDF, and we can upload it as one resource, where five resources has converted to one. For this video, I would like to share you one more thing here. Discover resources. If I want to learn about C, I want to learn about C language. So here this device automatically goes to resources, and it will find the resources where I don't need to take even the tension about searching for resources. But most probably I do not recommend this. But for this, I would like to just go with this one. I was like dislike everything. There's a C program in which channel I don't, but every channel is like okay, we go. Geek for Geek is a great website. Free tuition C programming W C for India PDF something PDF C for Greek for Geeks we can GitHub we can Reddit is the best. It's okay. Here you can see how many I selected 7 resources. Then I have uploaded 7 sources. But here you will get the intro about this all PDFs. See, the first is also C language VS. In this all you can find this. These resources has been read by the AI and gave you the brief about these PDFs. So if you think this is about so one resource has C, so other C, you may think. But I would like to add one more thing. Like there is a McKinsey program for forward education, something like that. Career finding the best career for you in the next. So you don't see any updated. Just take a wait a minute. I would refresh this. So it's again reading go through all blah 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 about C C C C C C C. There should be mentioned somewhere about this. Okay, C. The Greek for Geek period focus on professional skills beyond coding, such as so, which means it will read every resource that you have provided. So don't take a good thinking of it may not read. Okay, you may ask like, uh, okay, right. I would like to just copy and paste. What is C? I would like to read briefly. I have a time frame of 30 minutes to complete this video, so I would like to wrap it fastly. So C programming general purpose middle level language structured widely so and so so and so so and so so and so so and so. But if I ask it again, what what is what is forward learning workbook? So I asked it 2 different topics. So essential components, use case purpose, it is canvas of key learnings, ideas, reflection, content, use case, so and so. But I would like to refresh this. Here I would like to deselect forward learning workbook, and again I would like to refresh. I hope it gives it again, but I would like to refresh if it gives. Okay, as I deselected this, so it gives none of the provided mention forward learning workbook, which means if you give something that beyond this PDFs, it will not give you the answers, which is the best thing that you can find in any LLM that you need for any studies, so and so use cases. Okay, I hope I done here. Then we come to here. Uh, Here we have a lot of then before we first thing my favorite thing as a student I am studying for exams, so I used to deselect everything and goes to each chapter mind map. Here create mind map, it is generating a mind map for me for all of these selected resources that I have shared. See, except that workbook I have selected everything to generate a mind map. So okay, C programming concepts. Then we have vari- variables, data types, operations, operators, control flows, xyz, array, string, file. Okay, but I want to know what are in the data types and variables. So I click. So they have like, uh, but I want to know about the what we call constants. Example, see, which is redirecting. Discuss what are the resources says about constants in large context of various rules in the. So again, you can go to mind map. but this time you want to know about variables and data types. It again goes to yes discuss about variables and data types in the large context of C concepts. So if you are reading for the exam, you may go in this format where recalling your topics. If you suddenly forgot, you can just click on that. It will give you entire option, entire answers in seconds. Okay. Uh, you may ask if you are studying. I want you to sorry you to ask me 10 quiz questions on C so that I can write my exam. Just there may be some spelling mistake, I guess. Quiz questions. Sorry, it has given different. Here are 10 quiz questions on C programming for your exam. Draw the following. Give me 10 quiz questions with options. I would like to go with that. Give me 10 quiz questions. I hope it is right with options. Has this basic rule of prompt input is equals to output. The best input is equal to best output. So which gave me the structure. 10 questions. As you see here, there are 10 questions. Suppose I may take paper and okay, option A, first answer is A, second one B, third so and so, so and so. I do, if I study, I do. Then I want to know the answers. Give me answers with, give me answers with reason. So here it gave me the first question, answer is C, and reason is so and so, so and so, so and so, up to 10, which is great. Then okay, up to here it is great. You can ask differently if you want to go to particular question about deeply with examples. As you know that the knowledge of this LLM is based on your resources. If you go beyond that, it cannot answer. But I need some study guides so that I can study more clearly about this exam, right? So I asked it for study guide. I did not type. Okay, see study guide. I asked for study guide. What is it giving? I don't know. Fundamental keys. Okay, quiz answers. Okay, keywords. Format questions. Study guide. Right? Okay, study guide means which is for what we studied. It the answers something like that, right? Then brief of the dog. It will go to everything and give a 1 page, 2 page brief of the dog, which is so crazy that you can do it in seconds. Waiting for it. Detail about brief of the dog, core language concepts, so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. Then we have FAQs, which is best option as have seen, which generates more in everything aspects. But when we can come to context of exam, we have to see the previous question and prepare. So don't depend on this heavily. But as a different concept, you can use this, which is great use case. See, frequently asked questions about the C programming and so, which is the data that taken from the internet. So which may not provide your swan use case. Try to use as precisely that you need. Then time landed, which is best in the use case. Like if you don't know any concept about C, but you want to learn, right? You don't know what to start first, what to end second. So this provides you that first you need to learn variables, declarations, then arithmetic integrations, shortcuts. It's itself logical operation. First you need to study logical operators. Then you have to do the full statement. This clearly understands what need to be learned first. Okay, I think it is great. These four options you can check. If you want to add your own notes, there is an option. If you think this seventh question is crazy, just copy, paste. Here your notes is ready, right? And here is, I forgot to mention that if ninth question and this is somewhere in ninth exactly, I don't remember which is taking. So it going to the resource. Okay, this is in the video from the YouTube, so that it has been gone to that video and took the entire descript. Sorry, what we call the transcription of the video and gave me the answer. Suppose if I go further, see again video, right? See, it mentioned it read all welcome to this complete C programming and read all of this, and this question was created by this PDF. Answer is from this PDF. This line is from this PDF in context. And my favorite one, generate, but I would like to customize it for you. I would go with for beginner or like 10 years old kid in India. So which makes a 10-year-old kid. I don't want to go to deep grammar. We are in a generation. AI need to take that work. So I just created. So which I'm giving a context. This podcast or this conversation need to go in the format of you are explaining to a 10-year kid where that he should be understanding um in the somewhere in this context, and I will share this all entire context PDF. Sorry, I will be sharing the entire context. Sorry, this notebook link in public access. I will be sharing that in the description. And separately, I would also even share this podcast, which I will not try. I will not try to modify that again, so that you can hear the what the. This might be getting into 24 minutes to 30 minutes conversation, which I don't want to be taken. So I just give you brief idea. Then we go to them and I will share you them. I'm waiting for this audio to be generated. Until the time we can do something right. So let me just refresh. Okay, right. On this contact, see, I would like to create man map now where I selected McKinsey forward program, right? I will show you the board difference, I hope. Okay, I'm missing it. See, here you have interview questions. Here you don't have interview questions. Let us count in different context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here interview questions has been added. In that we can go swipe to numbers. I do know circular linked list. This is something related to that. I would like to refresh this again so that I want to clear my mind. It's not added that this one from Mackenzie. I hope it's generated a new map where no, it didn't add it. Let me refresh this entire page so that we can get that. Always. Means which means when you, even if you add a new, do refresh. I do recommend. Sometimes it happens to me also. So it is not adding means which are these topics are from that McKinsey PDF. We are not adding extra. So I want to circle link list, which is I hope this is a max some C programming concept, but I don't know. See, this is a C programming context. Okay, there may be some technical error, but I don't want to go to in that context. You can just verify. Yeah, this time's what is happening, I don't know. But let us start this conversation.
You know those games we play on our phones? The simple ones, yeah. Well, here's something kind of wild. Deep down, a lot of what makes them feel so instant, that super low latency, it's often C, the C program. That's right. It's kind of amazing, isn't it? A language that's, what, 50 years old? Exactly. Older than, like, the modern internet. And it's still crucial for making things feel snappy on your phone.
I would like to play it, but I would like to mention that I can be interactive in this in this conversation where I can join
Yeah, it's
both
like
of
the, I
them
don't know,
and I
that
can speak.
performance engine hiding under
So
the hood.
just waiting for a
And that's
good time
exactly
so that
what
I
we're
can ask
diving
a
into
question.
today, using all the great stuff you listeners sent over. We've got a real mix. We've got a beginner's YouTube tutorial, some deep dives into C pointers, which sound scary but aren't.
Just now I click the interactive mode. Let me see what happens. Then I need to play the pod.
You know those games we play on our phone? The simple ones, yeah. Well, here's something kind of wild. Deep down, a lot of what makes them feel so instant, that super low latency, is often C programming language. That's right. Kind of amazing, isn't it? A language that's, what, 50 years old? Exactly. Older than, like, the modern internet, and it's still crucial for making. Oh, hey, I think I was just going to say.
Okay, I did not allow this. So I am just thinking that how many years.
Hey, yeah, what's up?
So I'm just assuming that C has been 50 years old, right? Can you explain more on that? Why do I have
That's a
not?
great question. You're right on the money. It's fascinating to think about its history, isn't it? Yeah, according to what we've been looking at, C was developed between 1971 and 1970. That's by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. So yeah, definitely around the 50-year mark. And it's considered one of the oldest and most popular programming languages. Oh, back to our listener.
Thank you for taking your time for me. But
Oh, you're very welcome. It's our pleasure to share this with you. Absolutely. Your kind words really do mean a lot. It makes us happy to know you're fine. Yep. Go on.
can you make a sentence that everyone can understand about C?
Absolutely. That's exactly what we do. We're excited to delve deeper into why C is still so incredibly fast. Think of it like a classic tool that still does.
So on this context, I would like to end, and I would share both of these links in the description. Do check it out, and if possible, share your notes, anything that you have built in the comments, so that I can go through them. And if before sharing, make them public. So I would like to even share that right here on top corner. You see share, right? Then okay, I don't have permission to share this entire notes. I think I can copy the link. So I would like to share this. But even for pod, I can go for everyone, share or you right, public access, copy the link. So I would like to create the QR. I would like to paste here, or even I will share the link down. If possible, I would like to share this entire conversation notes possibly to public access. If it is not available, I would like to mention that bit DOM that you can give your mails ID so that I can just add you here. Hopefully, I can add you here. I will add you here so that in that case, even if I will share this link too, so that you can send the access, you can check this out. And there are a lot of things that have been generated. This one was a lot. This one single resource that my BEFA is nothing but business, economics, finance, accounting subject where I do deep dive in a lot of things. On this context, I hope this is good time to end this conversation. Hopefully next time we make good better video. Bye. Bye bye.
So I hope the video context helped you, but I would like to go more from that. So you may scan again. I would like to show the QR. You may scan the QR. If not, go to notebooklm.google or just search in Google that notebook LM by Google, something like that. You will log into the page. As I showed you, that interface is different, but the progression will be the same until this page. Then I would like to show this has been we developed this we has developed in the mobile, sorry, in the that version, right, what we call Windows version. So we will see that in this version, mobile version. So let me go there. See, the basic context did not changed. Like, we have three separate sections, like source, chat, studio. So first I will just in the load, so that I don't waste a lot of time for you and me too. When we come here, like, same what are we selected, I don't want anything and see, just re-engineering something like that. I would like to refresh. I want to only select the forward book. We would like to ask now, what is C? Which means it has been not updated yet. How can I refresh in this context? I don't remember exactly what. Okay, it is happening to this right now. My internet is too slow, so don't worry about that. Okay, we have mind maps, we have podcast. So see, mind map in different format. We can just scroll, we can go, we can scroll more, we can go more into context, and we can do like, if want we can search. It has been searched into the chat, it has been running. If you see the Windows version completely, you understand basic information. As but as a UI context, I would like to explain this. This place where you can add any resources that you want more, or you can discover more resources in this context, and these are the resources that we have there in this. Then we go to chat. As you have seen previously, there is nothing like brief about the PDFs. Same context, add notes, audio overview, then mind maps. Yeah, you can click on any option to generate them. Then again we come here, podcast, we have podcast. Then we have add notes, same again the repeat concepts. Just we can go like all, we can double type it, all it is regenerating it again. It's fun to have. So you can just create again mind map and notes if you want to add. Okay, I hope it's okay. I would like to share the link of podcast, conversation of that, and possibly I would like to share this entire chart too. If you created anything, let me know in the comments so that I can see what you have done.